welcome everyone to our new computers and technology website. It's been changed since the last one. Google came out with a new site that was better for using on various forms of digital technology. So whether you're on computers or on a phone or on a tablet, this website should function a lot better for you. So here's just a quick kind of overview of what's on this site. I am currently in the preview mode for the editor, so you'll notice down here in this bottom right corner I can show you what it would look like on a tablet, on your phone, or on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the computer version just to show you what it would look like, and then I'll quickly give you a brief overview of a tablet or a phone at the end, just to show you the little bit different view. So on this website, on your home page here, you have a little welcome video, which you're watching right now, so you found that quite well. As you scroll down here, there will be three spots. You notice the titles here. I haven't created these videos yet. These are your tutorial videos, so it'll teach you how to navigate the site, how to use the modules and the content in the modules, and talk to you about typing assignments in the typing website. As you continue to scroll down, you notice that there's a table of contents. It tells you what needs to be done in each section. Now talk to your instructor to make sure you're starting at the right point. So to get to this kind of stuff, you just click the little buttons here, but I'll go over that in our navigation thing. And then at the bottom of the screen, it talks to you about where the content comes from. We also have a typing page, some helpful documents, so if you need help with saving to OneDrive, sending emails, you're building your skills, etc., there's some helpful documents there. I will continually add to that stuff. And then there's our modules. So the developing modules are your more basic skills. So it takes you through kind of your basic learning, what computers are, how they function, as you see here, learning about the computer, internet basics, Google Chrome, and internet safety. And that's kind of what we're focusing on for the basic level or the developing level of skills. As you move into intermediate, we're looking more at what Google is and Google kind of suites and some things you can do on there. So there's some videos and stuff for you to do. Learning about Windows 10 and some background cool kind of tips and stuff from Windows 10. Signing up for emails using your SAS Polytech email and other things about email. Microsoft Office 16, this is going to be very helpful for you moving on in your education or moving on into the workforce. So there's some helpful videos and stuff like that there. And then learning about Adobe Reader, what it is, what a PDF is, and how they can benefit you. As we look at the more advanced things, there's talk about the cloud, what the cloud is, how it works, some more stuff about Google, some more advanced stuff about Google, social media and some tips about social media, what they are, how to do certain things with them. Okay. There's a thing about Brightspace. This is where you will do your LifeWorks exercises in order to move to grade 10. So this is very important if you are planning on moving on to grade 10 to complete this module before you go on. And then the final module is just some Android basics, some iOS basics for Apple, and so on and so forth. So we're looking more at the digital technology rather than your computer skills in this. And this is the last module. So when you finish this module, your instructor will probably send you to do just typing practices every time there's computer time, as we can always work on building our computer or our typing skills and advancing our speed and such with that. So that's our basic website, guys. So now that you know what's on the website, I'm just going to show you quickly how it will look different on a tablet or a phone. So I'm going to choose the phone view, as that's probably what most of you will use if you're not using a computer here at school. So if I click on phone, it shrinks everything down so that it fits on a single screen. So instead of having things side by side, it drops it below and it'll fit it to your screen. So if you have a larger phone like a Galaxy Note or an iPhone Plus, it'll fit a little bit different than if you have a standard phone. So it'll just look a little different. The videos will be above the titles rather than them being side by side and stuff like that. Your contents are kind of listed in the same way the button is above the information about that stuff. As we get into the modules, again, everything's just listed above. Okay, so instead of also having that sidebar navigation, it's now the little menu button that they've kind of developed in most apps to show that you have a menu. So you just kind of click that, or you can use the buttons inside the modules to navigate your way. So that's it for our website. I hope you enjoy it and you learn a lot from it and become more comfortable in your computer skills.